introduce myself, Dr. V. Nirmala Devi, Assistant Professor in Chemistry from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today we'll discuss about the topic population explosion. What is population explosion? Enormous increase in birth rate and decrease in death rate is termed as population explosion. The human population is not increasing at a uniform rate in all over the world. Some reasons for explosion in population. Medical interventional facilities increases the birth rate and decreases the death rate. Illegal immigration for better job opportunities and better life. Some superstition and religious customs. Expectation for male child. Life expectancy of the human being is increased nowadays. Illiteracy is also one of the reasons for population explosion. Effects on human population explosion. Environment issues, economic effect, education sector, healthcare sector, job sector, crime aspect, human psychology. Effects on environment. Due to the enormous increase in industries and vehicular emission causes air pollution. Due to the mixage of raw sewage and industrial waste into the water bodies causes water pollution. When the population is going on increasing day by day, so that there is a demand in the food resources. Deforestation in urban and rural areas for the use and occupation of the land. Effects on economy. On the positive side, labor force and production, demand in the market, capital formation. On the negative side, mass poverty, hunger and joblessness, decrease in per capita income. Effects on education. Increase in child labor, thus school drops out, early marriage for girl child, huge disparity in teacher-student ratio, affecting quality and caring education, immigration of knowledge due to lack of job opportunity. Effects on healthcare. Overcrowded government hospitals due to low economic status and lack of affordability, lack of healthcare infrastructure, low funding by government in healthcare sectors, immense harassment for common people. Effect on job sector. Increasing rate of unemployment. Anyone is ready to do any job against any price. Increasing number of downsizing of industries due to automation and global recession. Increase of job agencies as well as job related frauds. More extortion of employees by the employers. Overall degradation of self-esteem, quality of life and economy. Social effects of population. The graphical presentation shows the number of crime is directly proportional with the increase in population. Effects on human psychology. William R. Cotton's theory of overshoot is getting proved. Depriving others to its highest extent is now the way of life. Oversized population is the only factor for the psychological evolution. Increasing amount of crimes in different sectors. Increasing amount of wealth accumulation created a parallel economy. Change of man-to-man behavior going towards rudeness. Thank you for watching.